I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to link your bank account on MEXC, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your MEXC account. Start by opening the MEXC app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, find and click on the Wallet section, usually located in the main menu. Step 3. Select Bank Account. In the Wallet section, look for the option labeled Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Fill in the required fields with your bank account information, including account number and routing number. Make sure to double check for any typos. A quick tip: if you accidentally enter the wrong routing number, it could delay the linking process. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review everything for accuracy and click the Confirm or Save button to link your bank account. Now you're all set. Linking your bank account on MEXC is a breeze when you follow these steps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask